Be careful to what you put in your mind and even what you read. Alam mo, pag lagi mong kinakausap, mga taong positive, mga taong motivated sa buhay, mga taong palaban, yun din ma-activate sa utak mo kahit online lang, kahit ngayon, talagang na-activate sa utak mo. Ganun din, inspirasyon, yung pag-iisip na madali lang yung gagawin, motivation, yun na na-activate sa brain mo. And this is based on science, ha? Meron talaga siyang na-activate sa utak mo kung ano yung ine-expose mo yung sarili mo at kung saan ka nag-e-engage ng attention mo. Because when you engage your attention to that, it means that you're exchanging your energy to that certain scenario, to that certain energy as well. So make sure that every time that you engage it mindfully.